Thank you, DJ.
Watu wa Pwani mpo? Pwani oye! Your Excellency Raila Amolo Odinga, kama jumuiya ya wakazi wa Pwani, tulikuwa na mkutano wetu jana tarehe 24 pale World Waters, ambao ulileta wapwani kutoka mapana na marefu ya pwani. Takriban wajumbe 3,000 walikuwa pale. Tulichambua ripoti ya BBI, na baada ya kuchambua ripoti ile ya BBI, mapendekezo ya mpwani ni kama ifuatavyo. Mapendekezo haya si yangu binafsi, si ya gavana mmoja, si ya MP mmoja, si ya seneta mmoja. Mapendekezo haya nimeshikilia hapa ni mapendekezo ya wapwani wa pwani. Ningependa sana wapwani kusoma mapendekezo haya kwa Kiswahili, lakini waliandika kwa Kimombo. Bila shaka nitakwama nikianza kutafsiri nikisoma haya. Kwa hivyo nitayasoma kwa Kizungu, na saa hii tunavyosoma haya kuna kikundi ambacho kinatafsiri, na bila shaka baada ya hapa nakala hii itapatikana kwa lugha ya Kiswahili. Kwa hivyo kwa heshima ya mpwani, tupatieni masikio yenu tafadhali, kwa heshima ya mpwani. Resolutions of the people of the Coast Region on the Building Bridges Initiative. We, the people of the Coast Region, wish to join hands with the rest of Kenya to embrace the Building of Bridges Initiative as put forward by His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya, Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta, and the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, and as proposed by the Task Force on the Building Bridges Initiative. Cognizant of the fact that the initiative is both necessary and timely, coming at a time when there is need to heal rifts among the leadership and the peoples of this country following the bruising elections of 2017. Recognizing that divisive elections have continued to wreck the fabric of this nation every 5 years, thus threatening peace and livelihoods, and therefore impacting negatively on our economy, acknowledging negative ethnicity and unbridled competition among our political leaders has entrenched a culture of tribalism, cronyism, favoritism, and nepotism in the management of our public affairs, giving rise to corruption. Appreciating that various measures have been undertaken at the national level to address these ills, including the report on the eminent persons on the 2007 post-election violence, and subsequently through the enactment of the Constitution of Kenya 2010, we, the people of the Coast Region, having met on the 24th January 2020, to deliberate on the BBI report, do hereby make the following recommendations. 1. Government should comprehensively address matters of land ownership, titling, transfer and management, acquisition and productivity to ensure proper utilization through policies and programs by taking the following measures. A. Government should buy land from absentee landlords and resettle affected coastal communities. In the alternative, the Constitution of Kenya should be amended to introduce a clause that will revoke all grants held by absentee landlords. B. National government should pass a national policy on historical land injustices through which a substantive standalone law on how to address historical land injustices will be enacted. C, the government to undertake full implementation of the TGRC and the Ndungu Commission reports. D, government to undertake a rapid result initiative of titling all untitled land in favor of the coastal people to avert further land grabbing in this region. E, expired leases should not be renewed unless with the express approval of the coastal county governments. F, establishment of a regional land authority under the Constitution. This authority to have quasi-judicial powers to enable it to review land grants and to hear claims of adverse possession of land. G, pending the implementation of the above recommendations, all eviction court orders should be suspended. Number 2, noting the economic crisis leading to severe unemployment in the coastal region, particularly triggered by major economic policy changes brought about by SGR, it is a recommendation as a people of this region that all operation of ports should be undertaken at the port facility.
Ikibamba sana wapi nduru wewe?
This will help revive the transport and logistics sector in general and save the many employment opportunities that have been lost so far. Number 3, the national government should provide an economic stimulus package for the key growth sectors in this region, namely blue economy, tourism, cottage industries, agribusiness, transport and logistics, ports and value addition to create employment, growth, social well-being and equity in the coastal region. Number 4, the national government should support the revival of defunct industries in the coastal region, more particularly industries related to cotton, coconut, cashew nut, rice, bixa, simsim, and sugar. In this regard, these crops must be classified and acknowledged as cash crops under the law. Number 5, creation of an independent social and economic impact assessment commission, whose mandate is to establish the impact of national projects on the local community and ensure such findings are made public. Number 6, creation of a blue economy ministry at the national level with a cabinet secretary from this region and devolves structures and functions to the counties. Number 7, ensure equitable inclusion and representation of the coastal people in top government positions in leadership and management of public institutions and resources. Number 8, ensure exploitation of natural resources to benefit the locals through defined revenue sharing structure. These include ports, minerals, national parks, ferries, amongst others. Number 9, to ensure equity in education, infrastructure development for schools, both primary and secondary, should be devolved to the counties. Number 10, strengthen county and community participation in the security of coast region, especially against attacks of terror threats, violent extremism, by creating a regional police authority. Number 11, the national government to support county governments in developing special programs for tourism revival in this region and also establish a regional tourism board to support programs and product development and destination marketing of the Kenyan Coast Circuit. Number 12, as a people, we support His Excellency the President initiative on fighting corruption. We demand that those who are found culpable of benefiting from ill-gotten wealth must be made to account and face the full force of the law. Number 13, establish on governance. The people, of course, are urging that there be an establishment of a federal system of government where there will be regional governments while retaining the county governments. Funding allocated for the regional governments and county governments should take up 70% of the national revenue. Number 14, to ensure that all regions sit on the highest decision-making table. We propose an expansion of the executive by providing for the president, deputy president, a prime minister, and 2 deputies. These positions, added to the already existing 2 speakers in the Senate and the National Assemblies, the Chief Justice and the Attorney General, make up 9 top positions in this country. It is a recommendation that these 9 top positions in this country are shared equally among regions. Number 15, creation of an upper coast comprising of Kilifi County, Lamu County, and Tana River counties, and creation of a lower coast region comprising of Taita Taveta County, Mombasa County, and the Kwale County. Number 16, which is the last one. Your Excellency, on the 8th of October 1963, a life-changing event took place that changed the destiny of the coastal strip and its citizens. This is the day that the coast strip became part and parcel of the territory known as Kenya today. Therefore, it is our proposal as a people of this region that this historical day be recognized under the Constitution. I thank you.